Hi, Hal. Let us discuss the topic is that inventory accuracy method. Inventory counting methods. So, inventory accuracy, today we will discuss that cycle counting. Okay. So, cycle counting, what is the counting first of all? So, counting is that, in any business, they will do accounting in periodically, like a few of the businesses they will do the quarterly, few of the business they will do the daily, few of them they can do half yearly or yearly, whatever it is. So why they are doing the counting? Or let's say in physically some quantity, let's say physically we have this 100 quantity, but in system it's showing this the 80. So they should know how much, right? They need to tally those quantity physically and what is the hand quantity in system. So they will count and they will, depreciation, sorry, they will come to know the what is the difference quantity. Then they will take appropriate action or they can, sink that quantity. Either they can increase that, quantity in application by using that as a business transaction or accountless transactions. So they will do it. So, okay. Let us see what we can, what are the setups or how we can do in application that counting, how we can do the cycle count, how we can do. So in cycle count, mainly we can do, okay, we can say that is the no two parts. One is that ABC analysis, and then we can do that cycle count. So what is the ABC analysis? ABC analysis means, okay, so we can categorize that products, our products like, what is the priority or high value products. We can give that one class, and as a next level items will give that, second class and next class and like that. Okay, A class, B class, C class, like that. So to do analysis that we can call as the ABC analysis. Okay. So let first we let us do the review that ABC setups. Wow, what are the setups we will do? So here just first ABC class, just setup and maintenance and task. We can go here, then manage ABC class. Okay, manage ABC classes. So you need to select org. It's org specific. Okay, org. So it's a predefined, okay, ABC classes already we have. So like the A, B, C. If you want more, then we can give that A, B, C, D, E. If you have, you need categorize the more categorizes. Okay. Then this is the ABC class. Then we need to check that ABC classification set. Okay. Here we are just doing the set that classification ABC classification set. So this one also already just a predefined. We have this one, or else we can give that the classification set. So I'm using that existing one. If you want, you can create your own. It's what is the scope, what is that organization level you are going to, or do the counting, or sub-unit level you are going to give the counting, or what is the criteria is that, item cost you are doing the count, or on hand level you're based on that cost you are doing that, or what is the, you know, on hand based, or uh, current on hand value, or this are the criterias we need to select. And if you select here subunit, right, So on which sub-inventory level you are going to, we have this many sub-inventories, so we are giving to sub-inventories, and scope valuation also we can give that. Okay, this one. So, but I gave this, I mean, existing one I'm using here, just this one is that on-hand valuation value level we are doing this, and scope is the sub-inventory we are doing here. Okay, next. So after that, just let us create the one item assignment set. There is one more setup. It is that in a, you know manage ABC assignment group. Okay, see if yes, in this group, right? We are also, I mean, we are giving that associate that our uh, classification set and that classes. We are grouping that. Okay. So here just we have the already existing one ABC, and we just have this one, right? Classification set, and we are doing that associate. If we have any more classes, then we can add here. Next, let us define the item. PIM, you are going PIM and create the item. I'm giving that, okay. So just existing FG design item itself, whatever it is coming, then click OK. Root class I selected, FG design item I selected the template. Now I'm giving the item name. Okay. So just save. I'm not changing any attribute by default one. I'm taking this. Okay. S- Then go associations. Meanwhile, I'm going to associate this one. I mean, assigning this item to that org. Assigning to. Okay. Then save. Okay. So save and to close. Then we need one sub inventory, manage sub inventory locators. Okay. Uh, CS1, I'm giving the sub inventory name like CS1 sub 01. Okay. So that I'm not giving anything, just I'm giving the sub inventory name and just I'm creating the sub inventory. Okay. Then done. Let us perform the let us get the on hand quantity for item in sub inventory. Miscellaneous receipt. Yes, item. Okay, this is our item. CS1 sub. Okay, let me get that, 5 quantity. Sorry, 10 quantity. Double two, double four. Mm, count two, four, double two. Okay, then submit. I mean, now it's a, we have this 10 quantity in application in system. Okay, now let us create the cycle count. In inventory management, see, let's go first. So supply chain execution and inventory management. In inventory management, go the task list. In task list, the LOV, there is a go the counts. Okay, then create cycle count. Then cycle count name it would be CS1 SYCL cycle 1. Okay, then description for demo. And here, right, our sub inventory is that, you know, CS1, right? So CS1, just select this our sub inventory and click the include in count. So what are the sub inventories we are including here? The count. So since we are doing that cycle count on sub inventory level, right? So that's what okay. So I gave that sub inventory and I have included the sub inventory to perform the cycle count. Okay, click the next. Then here you need to select uh, this one auto schedule, then frequency, let's say daily, give the approval required always, then click the next. Here at the right, this one, whatever we are doing that, uh, we are selecting the approval requirements. We need to approve this counting. Okay, then next here, just to give the scout sequence is the 10,000 and one. Okay, so per year, so the next, yes, here we need to give that class. I'm just year, just I'm giving the random number, current count per year, how many we can do it. Okay. And again here the right item. So I'm going to assign our item. What is the item? Our item CS. Okay. Then we need to include in schedule. Then click the next. Okay. Just review this all the values. Then save and close. Okay. Now gen we need to next action is the generate schedule. Here action generate count schedule. Where is that? See, it's done. It will, backend it will run this, a backend job it will run. Let us check that job is completed or not. Tools here, schedule process. See, generate count schedule. It's done. Now what you to do? Actions, count sequence. Okay, this submitted. Refresh. Yeah, done. Okay, now record the counts and approve. So what are the values we have in our physically? Those things we are need to here the same screen. There's a manage cycle count. So in this screen, okay. So there in this screen itself, we need to go action, record, cycle, record, count sequence. Okay, here let's search. Not our that one. This ours one is that, right? This one. Search. Yes, we got right. Here, just go action. Why we are not getting anything? Did it complete? Right. No way. Hi. See, here cycle count. If you search, right? So we will get that the cycle count, record count sequence. We will get this sequence. Okay. So here just we selected our cycle count name and what is the quantity count. Okay, in physically we have. Let's say we have this 8 quantity physically. Okay. So now I'm going to submit here. Okay. Just I'm going to submit. Now done, right? See here, we are getting this two count. It's already one of that, cycle count sequence. It's done someone already. So just this is the hours, right? Just click there and click the total quantity. See here, deviation is the 20 because on hand we have in system we have this at 10, but physically we enter as a 8. So deviation percentage is that 20. So do we need to approve this count or do we need to reject this one or do we need to go for the recount for this again? So based on that, if we need to select the options. Let's say if we want to approve, then it's got approved. Then click the submit. Okay, click the done. Okay, it's approved. Then now let us check the on hand for this. What is the item? Item CS. See, 8. It earlier we received the 10 quantity, right? Why it's approved? So its account alias issues happened. So let us review that even the transactions happened or not. Review completed transactions. Uh, Let us check. See, cycle count happened for two. I mean, two adjustments happened, right? That's all for today. Thank you.